You can report on assets and their use in your company. From the left, click Reports, then expand Employee Data and choose Assets. You can see totals at the top, and if you scroll down, you can filter by employee or category. Scrolling down further shows you a breakdown of assets per employee. If you access your profile and then Assets, you can see any assets assigned to you. If you are a team or direct manager, you will have the ability to return assets from here. This option is not available to employees that are not managers. To see the history of an asset, click the name. This brings up a log of when this was given, returned, and any associated comments.